Hey guys, today in this video, we're going to learn how to edit Facebook Reel after posted. And so I don't want to be a party of bad news, but if you're wondering if you can actually edit your Facebook Reel after posted, is that you can't actually edit your Facebook Reel after you have posted it. But all we can actually do is that we can try our best to edit our reels before posting it, and after we have confirmed it by using softwares like CapCut. And also Facebook does have, even though it's not that of a big software like CapCut, but it does have its small editing tools, and we can still use it for our benefits. And after we have confirmed that the video is okay, we can actually post video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.